Hey guys, welcome back to Kamar Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hola! So I'm back today again with another reaction video to the group Now United, and this is the music video to the song. I believe it's pronounced Baila Conmigo, featuring Selena Gomez and Alejandro. I never heard the song. This person was like, you should react to it, and I was like, I'm whatever this group is giving me, because I really do think this group is very talented. I'm here for what they're selling, so okay, Melanie. Noah. Annie. Josh. Come through, sunlight. It look like they're in their own states. Baila.
No sigas dándole mente. Tenemos toda la noche pa' que me enseñes de frente. Todo lo que sientes me huele a que no tiene nada de inocente.
Como te digo que no quiero hablar de amor, que si contigo tengo que pensar mejor.
What?
Quiero quedarme aquí, pégate, ven a mí, pégate, ven a mí. Baila, baila, baila conmigo, baila, baila, y yo te sigo.
Pégate, ven, suéltate, no te me vayas sin la ganas.
That lighting is everything.
Por eso baila, baila, baila conmigo, baila, baila, que yo te sigo.
Bésame, solo una vez, así tengo motivo para volverte a ver.
Face.
No entendemos,
no entiendo mucho, pero baila, baila, baila conmigo.
Baila, baila, baila conmigo. Is that Bailey? Oh, that is Bailey. As you guys could see, that was the music video to the song Baila Conmigo by the group Now United. That was a very sweet song of the group. I like that. That was so sweet. That was so sweet. I'm here for this group, but I want more. I want more. I can't wait to see what the new project's going to be about. I love that group. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to that video. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.